We come here to Vegas every year, and SEMA has become an important part of who we are as a company. There's no better place to truly connect with real car and truck enthusiasts. And we always have some great products out here to show and introduction. So when we were talking about what to do this year with what we wanted to show you, we invited you on an adventure to come out here with us, because what we want to show you, it doesn't belong on a brightly lit stage in Las Vegas in a convention center. It belongs out here in the desert. And that's why we invited you here to get a little bit dusty with us today. This is what we've got to show you.
Ford Performance has created the next best thing. So I am so incredibly excited to finally share with all of you this amazing program. Please check it out. Welcome the Bronco R race prototype.
This fantastic and awesome machine to my left is the Bronco R race prototype. It's a purpose-built race-ready truck that's designed to showcase the capabilities of our all-new Bronco product. And it's more than just a tribute to Rod Hall, because to really properly honor his legacy and his fantastic achievement of 50 years ago, what we want to do is actually race this truck. So today we're announcing that we'll be entering this in the SCORE International 1000 Baja race later on this month. Ford Performance has had a really long and very successful legacy in off-road desert racing. Later on, we used the Baja 1000 to actually pivot the Ford Performance positioning and get into off-road racing with our Raptor R race truck. And then more recently, we actually had a secret mission where we tested the all-new F-150 with the military-grade aluminum body, along with our EcoBoost engine, ahead of our launch of that very successful best-selling truck in 2015. Well, today we're back at it again. We'll be racing this Bronco truck, and you can see beyond the resemblance to this legacy product and hinting at the new styling of the new truck, it is underpinned by the same T6 frame and architecture as the production truck. So we'll be using this to test not only the frame and the chassis, but also the powertrain and driveline system. So this is all part of a process for us to really prove out the integrity of the product and the integrity of our engineering ahead of the production launch, and really launch it with true off-road credibility.
Hopefully when you look at it, you can see just how much we're drawing on the spirit of the original Bronco and the design of this prototype vehicle here. But as you look at the vehicle, you'll see how strong the central element through this grille area is. Instead of saying Ford, we're saying Bronco. And actually we pick out the R in red to signify that this is the race truck. This is all about capability. All the features we've added are all about performance.